What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy SUPERSON, and I am back again with another video. What are we doing today? We are working on we working on diamond. So as you all know, I changed the fuel filter, I changed the injectors, I changed the idle air control valve, and she still dies when I put her in reverse. So what I'm changing something else to see if this shit work. Stuff work. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't even know if it's gonna work or not. Probably not, but oh well. Yesterday, I went to O'Reilly's, as you know, my favorite auto parts store, and I picked up the fuel pump regulator. Is it the fuel pump regulator? Yeah. Yes, I think. Bam! Ha! It is the fuel pump regulator. So I picked the fuel pump regulator up, and I should have changed it when I did the injectors, but I was being cheap because this little part costed me $55 on top of the $200 for the injectors, and it didn't even change it. But anyway, once she is running right, she gonna be running A1, and I can promise you that. So with that being said, if you want to stick to the end of the video to see if Diamond gonna be running A1, go ahead. Make sure you like the video right now. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's only going up for here. Go check out my boy Dre Lamar, because once we get together, we create some epic stuff. All right, I know y'all been seeing me add him in my videos because that's just letting you know, hey, go rock with my bro. He doing what he need to do. We doing what we need to do. And you better believe PVO is on the rise. Let's go. All right, so as you all know, got to take this off, got to take that off, and we gonna go from there. Crazy thing is, remember that vlog I did when my brothers and we drove up to Reading, and I was in the rental car? I left my tripod in the rental car. The rental car went to Vegas, and when they were cleaning the car out to make sure everything was out, my tripod was in the rental car. So that's where my tripod was, and that's why I haven't been using it, because my little big brother have it, but I haven't picked it up from him yet, because I don't know why. I just don't. But yeah, so y'all, I can't put you on a tripod to watch it. So let me take everything off, and I'll pull you guys back out. Alrighty guys, so here is where the fuel pump regulator is, right there. So I have to take, first I got to take these off. That's for the injectors. Now I got to take all these little black bolts off and get to it, which is right under here. And this is what it looks like. Where'd I put it? Oh, it's on top of the car. Got the spring. And that's exactly what it looks like. So let me take this off, and I will show you guys what it looked like underneath. Alrighty, so I took it off, and it is right here. Got to take those 4 bolts out right there, and the fuel pump regulator will be released. So let's do this and see what it's looking like. Piece off. Bam, magic. And that's the old spring compared to the new spring. And this is the old fuel pump regulator compared to the new one. So, hey, I don't know what I'm looking at. I don't know if it's supposed to look like this. But yeah. Probably shouldn't sit it on the car though. But yeah, there we go. Yep, but hey, here we go. It also came with little gaskets and everything. But hey, so let's put it all back together and see if she starts up. Well, I know she will start up, but let's see if she will keep running once I put her in reverse. Probably not, but it's all right because I'm just making content. Make sure you stay tuned in, and if you made it this far in the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's only going up from here. Swipe up. Alrighty. Everything is put back together and put on. I think I might have found the problem, but who all knows what's going on with this damn car. So with that being said, let's start her up for the first time since about a week or two, and let's see how she sounds. And even though she hasn't been started up in a while, she still starts up the first time. There we go. Oh, check engine light came on, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. So since it's the first time she started up in a while, I'm gonna let her idle and get warmed up, and then roughly in about 2-3 minutes, I'll drop her in gear and see what's happening. All right, it's been a few minutes, so let's see. Brake, e-brake down, reverse. Hesitating, but she's staying idle. She's still in reverse, as you can see, and she hasn't cut off yet. Put it in neutral. Idle, come back up. Put her in drive. And she's still running. Yes! Damn it, yes. I'm not gonna get too excited, but all right, come on, back to neutral. As you can see, she is in neutral. We're gonna jump it back to reverse. Uh-oh, she's hesitant, All right, she cut off. So, hey, it lasted longer, but hey, I'm getting closer. All right, so as y'all seen, she cut off. I started her back up, and hey, like I said, I'm getting closer. I think I might have found what the problem was. It was actually a vacuum leak. One of the plugs underneath the air intake, instead of it being on the little prong thing that the hose supposed to go onto, it was hooking to a clamp. And just glancing at it, and you wouldn't see it. But before I put everything back together, I was really looking, making sure all the clips and everything was plugged in, and I seen that. So I fixed it, and I do believe that was the problem, which was a vacuum leak. But as you all still seen, she cut off after I put it from park to reverse, neutral to drive. She was good. But when I went from neutral, drive to neutral, neutral to reverse, she hesitated and died out. So, hey, she's almost fixed. She is almost there. But hey, this is the end of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because she is coming a long way. She's coming. But I got more videos to make today. So with that being said, I want to say thank you for taking time out of your day to watch me. I'm out. Peace.